Add subject with thousands of students, yet almost 100% pass rate every single year. Stop stressing over regular 100-mark papers. While regular subjects give 100 marks, this one single-handedly drops 200 marks. So which subject am I talking about? It has electrical maintenance, vocational bifocal subject. Secure 1/3 of your total 600 marks right here. This 200-mark blueprint is your secret weapon for the board exams. Electrical maintenance is divided into two papers, namely Paper 1 and Paper 2, 100 marks each. These are further bifurcated as 40 for theory and 60 for practical. The practical consists of a 30-mark experiment, 20-mark term work, and 10-mark viva. The term work includes both journal and TD sheet, each of 10 marks. As you can see, 60% of it comes from practicals, making it highly scoring, so do not skip those lab sessions. Lock in those easy 20 marks by keeping your journal and sheets completely up to date. Mastering this subject instantly skyrockets your overall aggregate, as this one single subject controls a massive 33% of your entire HSC percentage. It acts as your ultimate HSC board game changer. Share this with an HSC student who needs a percentage boost. Save this video now to plan your study.